Guys, happy Friday. We are doing a client in Columbia, and they had some urine concerns of their dog, and we're going to take care of it today for them, get it back to original state, digested and hygienic, and then reprotected with Scotch Guard. You can see this is actually dog pet spots from their dog, and we're going to remove that. Because remember, guys, you always hear me say you can't clean urine, you got to treat it, and once we treat it and digest it, then we can clean the fiber yarns and remove the soil, and then we're gonna reprotect it with Scotch Guard protection, and then all is well. Another happy client. Look at that, guys. If you have this issue, call AO Cleaning today. We can safely remove it and make it hygienic again, clean and protected. It's kind of all over, guys. I gave them a flat rate, cheaper than replacement, sanitary, and again, look at that. We're gonna get it back to the safe zone. All right, guys. AO, let's go. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go. Steaming some carpets out in Columbia, making the floors hygienic and clean. About 260 degrees. Beautiful. All right, guys. Already treated this area, cleaned it. We're steaming it out. Look at that. Hey, well, let's go. Nice. All right, guys, gotta do it. This is a polyester carpet, contractor grade. We got it back to original state, hygienic and clean. Beautiful, guys. They love it. Have a good Friday. God bless. See you next on Columbia, Illinois. We took care of their carpeting, got it restored, protected, took care of their some doggy issues of this little guy right here. And they are just excited of the overall results of our company with AO Cleaning. And they want to give me a video testimonial. Without further ado, guys, take it away.
Go ahead. Oh, it's a beautiful job. Thank you so much for helping us today. The carpets are lovely, and it smells so good and clean in here. And it went fast. He does a good job and does it quickly.
Did a very good job. Smells very good and looks great.